Making a quick buck, the fast lane to earning money. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and uncover the meaning behind everyday phrases. Today, we're exploring the phrase, making a quick buck. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding these expressions can really help you sound like a native speaker. So, let's get into it and find out what it means to make a quick buck. The phrase, making a quick buck, refers to the act of earning money, but not in just any way. It's all about making money quickly, often with minimal effort or through opportunistic means. The word, buck, is a slang term for money in English, widely understood to refer to dollars. So, when someone is trying to make a quick buck, they're looking for the fastest route to earn some cash, sometimes without considering the ethics or long-term consequences of their actions. To give you a clearer picture, let's go through a few examples. 1. Selling items online that you no longer need for a quick profit. 2. Participating in paid surveys online where you can earn money by simply providing your opinion. 3. Offering a skill or service on a freelance basis, like graphic design or tutoring, to earn money quickly. It's important to note that while making a quick buck can be perfectly legitimate, the phrase sometimes carries a negative connotation. It can imply earning money through less ethical means or shortcuts. Understanding the cultural context of making a quick buck is crucial. This phrase reflects a society that values speed and efficiency, often in the context of financial success. However, it also highlights a cautionary tale about the pursuit of quick money without considering the broader implications, such as sustainability or moral integrity. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, making a quick buck. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting expression and helps you in your journey to mastering the English language. Remember, language is not just about words but also about the stories and cultures they reflect. Keep learning, stay curious, and we'll see you in our next video. Goodbye for now, and happy learning!